to continue this video with another example. So we're going to follow the same steps as last time. So step 1 is make the mixed numbers, or change the mixed numbers. Mixed, improper. Okay, so if I look at my expression, I have one mixed number over here. 1 2/3 is a mixed number because it's got a whole number component and a fraction component. So I start with multiply the whole number times the denominator. So 1 times 3, which is 3. All right, done. Then I do add the numerator. 3 plus 2, which is 5. Okay, so this is my new numerator. So I've got a 5 on top, and the denominator stays the same. Okay, these are steps that we've done before for changing a mixed number to an improper fraction. They're things that you should know how to do by now. Okay, so I've got 3/8 divided by 5/3. And step 2 on the left-hand side is keep, change, flip. So I'm going to keep 3/8 because it's the original number and it stays the same. Change the division to multiplication. And I'm going to flip 5/3 so that it becomes 3/5. Okay. Now I'm going to multiply straight across. 3 times 3 is 9. 8 times 5 is 40. 9/40 is my answer. 9 and 40 do not have any common factors, so this is as good as it gets. So some things to note is whenever I have a mixed number, I change it. And why do I change it? I change a mixed number because it doesn't make any sense to multiply it as a whole number and a fraction. Because if you multiply it as a whole number and a fraction, then you're going to forget to multiply some part of 3/8 by something over here. So it is super important that you are paying attention to your mixed number and changing it to an improper fraction. This is the most important step. Okay? So I'm going to give you 2 try-its where you are supposed to do this, okay? All right, I got 5 1/4 divided by 3/5 and 2 1/2 divided by 2/8. So take a minute, pause this video, and try both of those problems, okay? Again, pause the video and then try those 2 problems. Use the steps. Okay, you should be coming back from using those steps. So the first step is make the mixed numbers improper. Okay. So when I'm looking at this first example problem, I notice that 5 1/4 is the only mixed number I have. So I'm going to make it into an improper fraction. So I start by doing 5 times 4, which is the whole number, times the denominator, which is 20. And then I add the numerators, 20 plus 1, which is 21. So I've got 21 in the numerator and 4 in the denominator. And then I divide by 3/5. Okay. Step 2 is keep, change, flip. Okay. So now I'm going to keep 21/4 because that's what I'm starting with. I'm going to change the division to multiply. And I'm going to flip 3/5 so that it becomes 5/3. All right, 21 times 5 is unknown, so I'm going to do it by hand. 21 times 5. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. So 105, 105. In the denominator, I've got 4 times 3, which is 12. So if you got 105 divided over 12, then you are correct. However, this is an improper fraction, so you can do some fraction division to find what our new number is going to be. So I'm going to do 105 divided by 12. 12 goes into 1 0 times. 12 goes into 10 0 times. 12 goes into 105. Let's see. 12 times 8. 8 times 2 is 16. Carry the 1. 8 times 1 is 8 plus 1 is 9. 96. I don't know if I'll be able to add 12 again. Let's check. 8. 108. Yeah, that's too much. So I'm going to put an 8 up here. This is 96. And I have borrowed, this is a 9, 15, this is a 9, so 9 left over. So this is 8 and 9/12. Yay. Okay, I'm going to do the last one on a second video really quick.